We're a fabricator of ductwork, and we've been around for 50 years, and we've taken our experiences and applied it to this Corona-19 pandemic. And we've developed a unit to incorporate cleaning the air for these small businesses to open back up like a salon or a restaurant, and to keep their employees safe as well as their customers.
Through the COVID-19, there have been many challenges. And so in opening back up again, you want to create the best atmosphere and the healthiest atmosphere for all of those involved. So if I can create an atmosphere here where people are feeling safe and healthy, that's, to me, the kind of atmosphere I want to have in my salon.
For the employees working in an environment such as pollution, mold, pollen, and viruses that come in contact daily with the employees, this system removes 99.97% of them. It runs it through a HEPA unit and is distributed through the house system, creating a great environment.
I think customers are going to be able to tell the difference when they walk in. And just the air movement. I mean, I felt it just in the few minutes that we were inside.
I can only hope that by letting them know that we have that quality of air in here, that it enhances their feeling of safety.